The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bailey County in southwest Missouri, Stone County in southwest Missouri, until 2 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time at 1:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 24 miles southwest of Kimberling City and moving northeast at 50 mph. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles, roofs and windows. Minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Kimberling City, Branson West, GALENA, Reed Spring, Crane, Eagle Rock, Golden, Shellknob, Jenkins, Cape Fair, Wheelerville, Silver Dollar City, ELSEY, HURLEY and PONCE D. This warning also includes Roaring River State Park and Table Rock Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.